Hello everybody, we're out and about today.
There's the sun to do that.
We're with Reese and Jack. Look in the description and like their page. They get up to some really good stuff and they find some really cool stuff. It's going to be a challenge today. Lisa's got a signal. I reckon it's a bottle top.
Me too.
Sovereign.
It looks nice out there.
It is good. Yeah, the soil's very nice.
Yeah. Very similar to where we've been
So any coins you get are going to be good. Any copper
Well,
coins.
whatever it is small anyway.
That might be a serpent.
Could be actually.
Oh no, it's a nail.
A nail. Guess what? You nailed it.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get to it guys and we'll see what we find. And as I was saying, we're with Jack and Reese, and look in the description for their videos. They get some really cool stuff.
Jackhammer Adventures.
Jackhammer Adventures.
Yeah.
Legend. Well, Lisa's got herself a really nice
My first saddle badge. Really happy.
J or H.L. Guildford.
It says, I think it's H.J. Clifford or something like
Has
that.
it got the things on the back?
Yes, it does. Both.
Oh,
Very nice.
oh, that's awesome. I'm really happy now.
Hey, I'm happy
Happy
with
with
that.
that?
That's worth the trip.
So, just digging a high target down there. Popped it out, had a look.
Yeah.
See a badge sticking out. Just there.
Nice little RSL. Oh, beautiful. Look, can you show that?
That's cool.
God, that's my second small one I've got. That's within like a week or two as well.
Yeah. Well, yeah, last weekend he pulled one identical to that out, and then he pulled that medallion out.
Oh
right
yeah,
next to it.
that was so cool.
That's really good news.
What number did that come up?
Like 23.
Yeah.
Sounded like a bottle cap though.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, that's good.
Well, here's something a little bit interesting. It's not anything made out of anything special, but this was on the surface. You can see the imprint in the ground still. It says, cheers. And you can see here a bottle of champagne and 2 glasses. Turn it over and it says, here's luck. And the same little picture again. Champagne bottle with 2 glasses. So, yeah, I wonder what that would have been from. I like that, it's kind of cool.
Well, when you're in the bush and you need to go for number 2, there you go, number 2. Well guys, my first find picking amongst all the rubbish here. No idea what it is yet. It's a little badge of some sort, I'd say. Can't see nothing on the back or anything, so I'm not sure if it's anything special, but anyway, we'll keep at it.
So, interesting little find to start us off. Not sure what this is from. Standard 8. Set that in the back. Nice little find. Also starting us off, we have a Lesney Matchbox car, made in England. So, always like finding those. And I'm told that this one is the top of a gas lantern or something like that. But, yep, so just getting started.
A nice little signal here, and this is really awesome. It's a little pocket watch key with a name and everything on it. Something W.A. Watton, or I don't know, W.A. Watch Co. Perth. And other writing on the back. I don't want to rub this gold off, but really cool find, guys. That is awesome. Happy with that.
Just as we're walking back to the car, I've got my detector on just in case, and I picked up what was actually a bit of foil, and what came out of the hole was this one, pot lid, Trouché's Corn Cure. I have one at home actually, but this one's in much nicer condition. So I'm just walking along and detector goes off. And this is quite literally just on the surface, in the ground. Look at the colours. It looks like some kind of gilding paintwork that's still there. What an amazing design. I haven't actually taken this out of the ground at all yet, so what you see is what I see. So shall we pull it out together? I think we shall. Oh, beautiful. Fairly simple. Oh, nice.
Well everybody, I'm detecting through the bush here and I've just come across this. Does anyone know what animal would lay sticks like that with an entrance into here? And that'll be the entrance. It obviously hasn't been there for a while. Anyone know what animal or bird makes a little nest like that? That's interesting. Looking straight down on it. I've never seen nothing like it. They are all laid, all straight, all of them. And then the hole goes in there. Would have done. Yeah. Oh well. You see the dirt that's been pulled out from there. Maybe a type of lizard or something. I've never seen anything make a nest like that. That's cool. Oh well, the things you find in the bush. If anyone knows, let us know. I haven't seen nothing like that. Thanks guys.
So I just dug that branch thing up.
Look at the stones in it.
There's like little red stones there. You can see flowers design on it.
That's beautiful.
That was nice.
Nice one. Have a look back in that hole for those missing stones, mate. That's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Good stuff, bud.
I dug this target, it's quite deep, and all I seen was gold, and I thought, you beauty. Now, it's a badge. Try and zoom in on it. Looks like it says the Hi-Fi Club. Funny if it's the Mile High Club, but I don't want to rub it and get all the gold off it. Stay tuned guys, I'll give it a bit of a bush clean. Guys, the Hi-Fi Club. Sponsored by your Coca-Cola something or other. That could be quite collectible. I have no idea how old it is, but that's really cool. Anyway, we'll do a bit of research on this one.
Coin spill.
It was 1, 2,
3, 6 and 2.
Alright, I'll be getting my pinpointer into that hole, mate, and
Yeah.
having a look around that.
That's expensive. No.
Oh guys, not too far from the river. Dug a really deep hole, and right down the bottom of it is a suspender buckle. It's in pretty good nick. Don't know how old it is. Oh yeah, British Argosy. I found these before. Nice design on the back. Probably early 1900s. And it's got the soldier there. So that's pretty cool. Excellent condition as well. Gotta love the wheat belt soil, guys.
Okay, so we've been scratching around and I've got some broken glass that's been coming out of this little bit here, and with it came this beauty. So quite happy with that. 30. Number 30.
Digging a solid 19 signal, and it's a dog tag. This type of design isn't very, very, very old, but it's like 50 to 51. Municipality of York.
Number 5. Yeah.
Well everybody, nice little plug there, and we got ourselves a nice 1890 something, 1897 sixpence. Queen Victoria, beautiful condition. Very happy with that. Well guys, might have a little green bottle here. I'm not going to get my hopes up because everything in this hole has been smashed. I haven't found one bottle in there yet. And it's pretty loose. Doesn't feel like the top on it, but I'll film now in case. I might be lucky. Oh yeah, cool. Look at the top on it.
Oh nice. Shit man, I haven't seen one of them before.
I want to clean this one up.
Beautiful.
It's called a medical one or something. It's really cool.
This is the same place
Oh, it's got writing underneath.
From last week.
It's got writing. Okay, I can see some writing, guys. Stay tuned. I'm just going to give us a clean on the bottom. 1/4 pint. CG. Focus, you bastard.
In the bottom, but it still expands these.
1/4 pint, I reckon. Really nice little bottle, that one. Very old. Well, Lisa's done it. She actually found a bottle pit a week or 2 ago, and we finally got a chance to come back and excavate. I hear her yelling and carrying on. I thought she'd found a box of 100 sovereigns. Don't know if you can see it from there.
Look the hell at that.
Gave it a bit of a clean up.
Detectorist's bucket list item. I mean, oh, look at this design. Oh my gosh. This is higher on my bucket list than the half sovereign was. I'm gonna wear that as a necklace.
Yeah, it wasn't very dirty. It's sandy soil.
Oh my
is
God.
awesome for this kind of stuff.
It's in such good condition. It's taken so long.
Put that in the top pocket for sure.
No, I don't trust my top pocket. It'll go in my bag, my backpack.
Anyway, guys, that's a great find. I'll get a few photos of that.
Shaking. Oh my God, I'm shaking like heck. Oh my God.
Now, the other thing I just found, no, it's good, but it's still interesting, is, where is it? Hang on. Somewhere around here, there is, okay, well, Lisa found this, and this is pretty cool. This spot here is 1800s. I didn't know they made Coca-Cola in 1800s.
Amber bottle, and there's a bit of a label still on it.
Now,
What I also find interesting is the gold gilding on the back of that actually shines through the glass really well.
somewhere,
You can see it.
somewhere here, there it is. This really old bit of shoe, and they've repaired it that many times with heaps of layers and stuff. And so we're finding a few good bits. Actually, sorry, the other thing I found, which I think is cool, we must be at a shoemaker's house, because that looks like something they'd make a shoe with. Piece of iron, so that's not too bad as well. So we have got a good little spot here, and we're going to keep going and see what we get. Maybe some more snake buckles.
Things you find while detecting. Gotta be really, really careful in this grass. I'm actually really lucky. I thought this was a snake at first. But I don't know, this is back legs, and he's quite happy sunning himself. Oh, cutie. Mark will be able to tell us what type of lizard is. But yeah, definitely be very, very careful in this in terrain where there's grass and gin and stuff.
Well guys, here's some of our non-venomous and non-dangerous reptiles. Lisa just found him. Just sitting there, curled up. She's probably got the footage there. It's got a yellow underneath. Can you hold that just for a second? I'll just position him better.
Is it a skink or is it something else?
Yeah, it's a type of skink. Nice lizard.
He's a bit nervous because I woke him up. But look at those markings, man. It's pretty good.
He should have yellow on his belly too, a bit under there.
Oh yeah, I see it. That's pretty.
We'll let him go in a sec, he's starting to warm up. There you go.
Metal.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Isn't he stunning?
Yeah.
I'm so glad I found him.
So we'll put him
near that tree or something.
in under there where it's going to have protection from. There you go. Okay. Well everyone, from our mid 1800s to late 1800s, maybe early 1900s, found the enamel sign, and I've given it a good clean up. Drink and gory tea. So it's pretty much had it. Some of these are new scrapes when I was digging it out of the hole, which I couldn't help to get it out. There's so much tin and stuff on it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool enameled sign. That's how I first found it. I knew there was something on there. And from the shape, I would say it was on a barrel of some sort. So yeah, I didn't know they had enamel way back then, but drink and gory tea. So you've got some bits missing, but you can make out exactly what it is. So that's a pretty cool find. Must have been a shoemaker here. See all the layers in there, all the old nails. And leather survived it. It's not going to survive much longer outside of the ground, so we'll put it back in. It might be there for someone else in future times. There's my sign. Some more bits of leather and everything. The old shoe, 1800s. Some more old shoe. Very small shoe, very woman's shoe. Alright guys, we're filling it back in. We're still in the process of this. Nearly there. Hard work filling back in, but you got to do it. See you soon. Well guys, back to the 1800s site today, and I pulled this out and brought it back home with me today, and we think it might have been a shoemaker's house. No idea what that is. It's all rusted, it's iron, looks like the shape of a shoe. Found lots of leather and stuff, as you've seen, that I just before this bit. And yeah, so I'd say that'd be part of a shoemaker's thing. Anyone knows any more about it, please let me know. Pretty cool.